Hello, so let me introduce the things which are used in this experiment. I'm using a heatsink. So heatsink, you can get this from old computer CPUs, or you can also buy it from computer repair shops. The second component is the thermoelectric cooler, which runs on an maximum voltage of 12 volts and the maximum current of 6 amperes. So the thermoelectric cooler. To connect the heatsink with the thermoelectric cooler, you should use a thermal grease, which is having a thermal conductivity of 1.93 watt per meter Kelvin. I am also using some zip ties to hold the things together. So I am using some zip ties. I need a container to hold the generated water. So a plastic box. An air circulator for circulating air in the system. A tape. An adapter to power the thermoelectric cooler, which has an output of 12 volts and 5 amperes. So this is the adapter having an output of 12 volt and 1.5 amperes. This is used to power the heatsink fan and also air circulator here. So now we have to connect the heatsink to the thermoelectric coolers. So if you want to find out which side is hot, gets hotter, and which side gets cooler, means the side where some text is printed, that side gets cooler, the blank side will get hotter in the thermoelectric cooler. So apply some thermal grease over the hot side. Make sure you don't apply too much thermal grease. Just apply a thin layer of grease and remove the excess. And then keep the thermoelectric cooler gently. Press it. And on the cooler side, you have to apply a smaller heatsink to provide a surface area for the water to condense. Place it gently on the peltier. So for this to take the place over, should get over here like this. The lid over the box. The box. so that you have to power the system. Here I have connected this fan and this fan parallelly and given the power 12 volt and 1.5 amperes. For this peltier also powered 12 volts and 5 amperes. So this is now completely ready. Let us switch on. Somewhere here inside the peltier is situated. The upper side gets hotter and lower side gets cooler. The lower side is attached with a small heat sink which provides a surface area for the water to condense. Let us check what's happening inside. So you can see the water condensing. You can actually see the water droplets forming on the fin.